Alright, continuing on the proportional reasoning packet. This is page 6. It says the list shows the amount of each ingredient Charlotte used to make 3 servings of macaroni and cheese. So you've got some ingredients. Sorry, there's something under here. 4 ingredients. You have macaroni, you have eggs, you have milk, and you have cheddar cheese. It says based on the information, which is not true. Ugh. Okay, to make 6 servings, Charlotte would use 5 cups of cheese. So let's look at the cheese. 2.5 cups of cheese. And this is for how many servings? 3 servings. So 3 servings is this much cheese. I'm going to set up a ratio. Let's go with cheese and servings. So cheese 2.5, I'll put 2.5, 3 servings. And then it says if we're making 6 servings, so this bottom number will be 6, and this is my unknown. That's going to be times 2 and times 2. So 2.5 times 2, that's 10, that's 4 plus 1 is 5. So it says 5 cups of cheddar cheese. Ugh, this is true, which means it's not the answer that I want because that says not. To make 24 servings, we would use 96 ounces of macaroni. Okay, macaroni is 12 ounces. So again, I'll do macaroni on top and servings on bottom. For the original one, it takes 12 ounces of macaroni for 3 servings. And then it says 96 ounces for 24. So 24 servings here, my unknown there. Or I'm actually looking to see that it equals 96. 3 to 24. Ugh, what is that? 9, 10. 9, 8, 7, 8. Hello. Gosh, my brain is on vacation, I think. 3 times 8 is 24, so 12 times 8 is 96. So that's a true statement. This one says we're talking eggs. Okay. 4 eggs, 12 servings, 1 egg here, 3 servings. Okay. Egg over servings. So 1 egg for 3 servings. And then we're looking for 12 servings. That's my unknown. That's times 4. That's times 4. 1 times 4, that's 4 eggs. Also true. And do I even want to bother with this one? Probably. Okay, 9 servings. Does it make or need, 8 cups of milk? So milk over servings. It says I use 2 cups of milk for 3 servings. So for 9 servings, that would be times 3. This would be times 3, which is actually 6, not 8. That one's not true. All right. Now, a community center is collecting blankets. The director of the center has asked that 135 families donate 3 blankets each. Okay, that word each is very important. Then it says if 20 to 40% of the families donate 3 blankets each, which of these could be the number of blankets the center collects? Okay, so a couple of different steps. 135 blankets with 3 each. We need to figure out how many total. So that's multiplication. 15, that's 9. Oops, yeah, 9 plus 1 is 10. 3, and that's 4. So we're looking at 405 blankets. And then these percentages are important. So I'll take my number and multiply by 20%. Now remember, my decimal is there for 20%, but if I'm multiplying, I'm using 0.2. So that's 10. That's 1. That's 8. So 81 blankets is representing 20%. But then it says we look at 40% also. So we're doing 40%, which is 0.4, times the total that I'm looking for. That's 20. That's 2, and that's 16. That's 162. So 40% is 162 blankets. And it says which could be the number of blankets they collect. Well, it's got to be in between one of these answers. So 240 is too big. 50 is too small. 110 is in there, and 170 is too small. Too big. So it's got to be H.